Okay, send one, take 25. So here's my network automation lab using Raspberry Pi with voice recognition. So let me try to explain here what I used to create this lab. So here is a Raspberry Pi 3, regular Raspberry Pi. The only thing that I have here is Google Assistant, so you can find a lot of tutorials on the internet how to install Google Assistant in a Raspberry Pi, and it works as a regular Google Assistant device. For example, here, hey Google, how is the weather?
Right now in Toronto, it's 19 degrees Celsius and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 21 and a low of 5.
So you have a Google Assistant working in a Raspberry Pi. And I also installed Ansible package in my Raspberry Pi. So what I try to create here is put everything working together. So my Google Assistant that answer not only with voice commands, but as commands in a text file. And then I can use some Python scripts and take the information, for example, the VLAN ID, and put this information in my Ansible playbook and just apply this playbook in my switch here. So I have my Raspberry Pi. This Raspberry Pi has a super technology advanced sound card here where I can connect my speaker and my microphone here. And it is connected to my Wi-Fi network here where I can connect use my laptop, and using this yellow Ethernet cable here, it's connected to my switch. So as soon as I receive commands from my Google Assistant here, I can create my text file and use my playbook Ansible to apply this command to my switch. So let's see some demonstration here to make it clear, okay? Okay, so let's do a demonstration here. Here, this screen, we have a console connection with the switch. As you can see, we have only two VLANs, the default VLAN and the VLAN 500, that is the management VLAN. And here is the screen with my Raspberry Pi running Google Assistant. For example, okay Google, make a beatbox.
I've been practicing for this moment.
Yeah, it's working. So now let's start with the network config. Bia is with you.
Hey Google, talk to Network Assistant.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that yet, but I'm trying to learn.
Hey Google, talk to Network Assistant.
Getting the test version of Network Assistant.
Good day. What can I do for you today?
Please create VLAN 141.
One more time.
Please create VLAN 140.
So now Google Assistant called Ansible, and Ansible is running in background.
Okay, lazy guy. I can create VLAN 140 for you.
Nice. As you can see here, show VLAN. VLAN 100 was created. Okay. Let's do one more time. Bia.
Okay Google, talk to Network Assistant.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Hey Google, Talk to Network Assistant.
Let's get the test version of Network Assistant.
Good day. What can I do for you today?
Create VLAN 141.
Yeah, again, Network Assistant was called, and it starts an Ansible playbook using the parameter 141 as the VLAN ID.
Okay, lazy guy. I can create LAN 141 for you.
Nice. VLAN was created. As you can see here, you have 2 VLANs created using Google Assistant and Ansible playbooks. Thank you.